How to improve your English. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how to improve your English and become a fluent speaker. Tip number 1, practice speaking English. The best way to become a better English speaker is practice, practice, practice. Speak English as often as you can, even if it's just to yourself. This will help you become more comfortable with the language and sound more natural when speaking. Tip number 2, listen to English. Listening to English is also a great way to learn the language. Listen to podcasts, songs, and movies in English and focus on how the words and phrases are used. Tip number 3, read in English. Reading is also a great way to improve your English. Read books, newspapers, and magazines in English to learn new words and phrases. Tip number 4, write in English. Writing in English can help you understand grammar rules and become more familiar with the language. Write in a journal, blog, or even just practice writing sentences and paragraphs. Conclusion: by following these tips and practicing regularly, you can improve your English and become a fluent speaker. Good luck!